Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Gmail server busy restricted area. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and click on the URL and just simply refresh the page. And mostly, a simple refresh can fix the issue. So just simply click on the refresh icon and you should be able to fix it. Another option is just simply clear the browser cache and cookies. So just simply select the three dots on the top right and then go through the settings and go for the privacy and security and go for the delete browsing data and make sure to uncheck the browsing history and select these two and make sure the time range is all time and just simply select delete data and you should be able to fix the issue. Now another one, if it doesn't work, just simply try a different browser or device to see if the problem persists on another browser or device. Now another one is just simply go ahead and restart your PC and just simply go ahead and select the start menu at the bottom left and just simply select the power and just simply restart your PC and you should be able to fix the issue. There you go, see ya.